Apply this paste on lips and your lips so much soft in 5 minutes. Little humidity in the air during the winter mouth is known to cause chapped lips. Frequent sun exposure in the summer can also worsen your condition. Another common cause of chapped oil is habitual licking. Saliva from the tongue can further stripe the lips of moisture, causing more dryness. So now we make oil for dry and chapped lips. First ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is high in certain saturated fats. That fats have different effects in the body compared with most other dietary fats. The fatty acids in coconut oil can encourage your body to burn fat and provide quick energy to your body and brain. They also raise HDL, good cholesterol, in your body, which may help reduce heart disease risk. The primary benefit of coconut oil is its moisturizing effect. This makes it ideal for chapped lips. Your lips are particularly sensitive to moisture loss because the skin is thin and they are exposed to the element more so than other parts of our skin. So now we take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a bowl. Second ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil is considered safe for your skin and lips. When starting a new skincare regimen, including using castor oil on your lips, it's wise to discuss it with your dermatologist. So we take 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Third and last ingredient is milk cream. The milk cream you throw away has plenty of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that nourish and hydrate your skin. Just like besan and haldi, malai is a super ingredient in its own right and has been used since generations of beautifying skin. If you have been curious as to what benefit it is bringing or how it helps your skin because of its high fat content, milk cream or malai moisturize your lip well. Just apply, leave on for 10 minutes, then wipe off with a cotton ball dipped in lukewarm water. You can also mix it with lemon juice, freeze the mixture and apply overnight on your lips. So take 1 tablespoon of milk cream in cup. Mix all ingredients in the cup and make a paste. Apply this paste on lips and after 5 minutes, clean your lips by a piece of cloth and see the result. You realize that your lips so much soft and dryness is completely gone. If you have any questions, tell us in the comment section below. Thank you.